What's up, YouTube? Got her going, sounding good. Idling about 1100 RPMs or so. Somewhere along in there, took the spacer plate off from underneath the carburetor. Still have yet to test the hood to see if it's going to fit, but just trying to get some bugs out of it. Since I made the last video, I had a turbo 350 in it, but it didn't live long. It's over there against the wall. So I had to uninstall that thing. It wasn't going to work. So anyhow, put the M21 4-speed in it. Had all the stuff to do that with, clutch, bell housing, all that stuff. So it was either rebuild that thing and install a torque converter, or put this M21 in here. You can see I got the shifter in here. This is what I got in here right now. I don't know. It feels pretty good though, sitting in the driver's seat. So I may leave that. I don't know, you can't see under there. There's the clutch pedal. Yeah, I got all that stuff in. It's shifting. I've driven it. And the 273 gear is going away. It's just, this engine's too radical. I thought maybe with the low first gear of that M21, I might could live with it, but I mean, you drop the clutch and it idles at 1100 or 1200 RPMs, and you're going 20 miles an hour in first gear at idle, so that ain't going to cut it. I ain't really too worried about gas mileage anyway, drivability more than anything, but I just want to do a quick clip on how it sounds. It's running great, but I do believe I'm going to pull it out and go through it. It has those old TRW pistons in it from back in the 70s, and they got those giant domes on them because these heads have giant combustion chambers, and that's what you had to do to build compression back in the day. And so I think I'm gonna save up and just re-ring it, put new bearings in it, and put a set of flat tops with a set of Edelbrock heads maybe, and save these heads. These heads are ultra rare. I don't want nothing to happen to them. They make good power. I love having them on here, but I can't make power with the pistons that are available that'll work with these heads. It's just not enough compression. It ain't gonna work. So anyway, bought a catch can off Amazon, 30 bucks. Check it out. Right there it is. Came with all the hardware and everything. I used my own hose. Right here is some more of the hardware it came with. You know, these right here are for mounting it to this bracket right here. And got some extra O-rings and different size fittings. I use 3/8 fittings. Here's the box right here. It's good little can. I don't know how they can sell them for 30 bucks, man. I don't know how they make money doing that, because it's very well made and it's a heavy little dude. But you got your instruction sheet right here and everything that came in it, you know, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna review it on Amazon and give it a good review. A lot of people raising hell about the hose that comes with these catch cans. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me come out here where the daylight is. But this is good hose right here. There you go, right there. That's regular fuel line. There it goes. That's regular fuel line right there, man. That's good stuff. I mean, I guess when they first started putting them out, they had real thin walled tubing that wasn't worth a shit or crap. And so anyway, this is the upgraded kit, like $31 shipped. And so I wanted to try it on here and see. I got a little bit of smoke. I'm not sure if it's carburetor or what. This is a 850 Holley HP series, and I've had it for many years, and it never has acted just perfect. I don't know. I'd like to do fuel injection, but I ain't got $2,500 to drop on a complete set. So, you know, I'm probably just going to deal with this one. I was going to put a quadrajet on it, but the quadrajet that I have is not a performance quadrajet, and I'm not going to go that route. I may play with this one. I may change the power valve in it, put some new gaskets in it and see, but it's never acted quite right ever since I bought it used. And it's a good carburetor, but I don't know, man, something's just off with it. You know, just, I mean, it runs, but seems like it's way too rich for some reason, and it's a lot of cubic inches and a lot of compression, so it shouldn't be, you know, as rich as it is. Maybe my power valve, like I said, needs changed, or it's got a hole in it or something. I don't know. Anyhow, just a quick update, man. Check it out. I got my trim rings on, got my headlights in, working on my grills now. I got them polished a little bit right here. That little chrome strip, I didn't even know that was on there because they had painted it and then sprayed paint all over everything. My little Pontiac emblem's broke. I'm gonna have to repair that, and that 350 thing's going away. I'm gonna put 455 on there. And but these are actual 1973 grills. So, but it's cool. It's coming along. Taking a little longer than I anticipated, but we've been working a lot, and changing out that transmission took a little time. But not against automatics. Just, you know, that one was tired, and I'd have a ton of money in getting it back in there and getting it right with a stall converter. So the 4-speed was the cheapest route I could take. Sorry about the shaking, but anyhow, all right, just an update. Keep you guys posted on this bad boy, or Frankinbird. All right.